In this video, I will show you how to make this Alpine Stitch skirt for a doll, and if you want to make also a matching top or other garments made with Alpine Stitch, I will leave you all the links down below. Let's get started. To make this skirt, you will need lace cotton yarn, 2mm crochet hook, scissors and needle, and also an elastic band for waist. Mine is just slim hair elastic and without stretching it has about 1 inch of diameter. Start making a slip knot and we will make a chain of 40. My chain of 40 is ready, and now I will make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Try to not twist your chain, so insert your hook into the first stitch you made and make a slip stitch. Okay, so we will work in rounds. Now chain 2. This chain of 2 we will not count as a stitch. Yarn over and inside the same stitch where you made a slip stitch, make your first double crochet. Now yarn over, go to the next stitch and make another double crochet. And work just 1 double crochet in each stitch of the chain to the end, so you will have a total of 40 double crochets. As you can see, I try also to hide this tail so I don't have to weave in it later. So keep working just 1 double crochet in each stitch to the end of this chain to have a total of 40 double crochets. I've just made my last double crochet, number 40. This is how it looks like. And now I will insert my hook into the first double crochet I've made and just make a slip stitch. Now chain 2, again this chain of 2 we will never count as a stitch and we will repeat it after every round. And yarn over, make 1 double crochet in this first stitch. Okay. And in the next place, we will make also double crochet, but this time it will be front post double crochet. So yarn over, and instead of working here on the top of the stitch, like usually, you can see this post. Insert your hook behind this post, like this. So this post is in front of the hook, and this is why we call it front post double crochet. And now just make double crochet as usually. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now yarn over and in the next place make just a normal double crochet. So we will work it here on the top of the stitch. Our next double crochet will be again front post double crochet. So again, yarn over, and we should work here if it's a normal one, but instead of this, we will work here behind this post. So put your hook here and just make a double crochet. And we will work like this, making normal double crochet and front post double crochet to the end of this round. So I will show you once again. This next one will be a normal double crochet, and the next one, the second one, will be front post double crochet. So again we will work alternating double crochet and front post double crochet to the end of this second round. There are still 2 stitches left, so this one is a normal double crochet. And my last one, number 40, is a front post double crochet, as I started this round with a normal double crochet. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and in the end I will just insert my hook into the first double crochet I've made and make a slip stitch. Now chain 2, and this round we will work the opposite. So as the previous one, the second one, we started with a normal double crochet. This one we will start with front post double crochet. So we will insert our hook behind this first double crochet and make just a double crochet. Okay. And the next one, as here in the previous round it was a front post double crochet, I will work as a regular double crochet. Okay, so one more time. Yarn over. This next double crochet was a normal one in previous round, so now will be a front post double crochet. And again, the next one, as it was a front post double crochet from previous round, right now we will work a normal double crochet. And I will just keep working, making front post double crochet and later double crochet again to the end of this round number 3. I'm finishing my round number 3. I made my front post double crochet and still have to make my last stitch, which is a double crochet. So in this round, as we started with front post double crochet, we will finish with regular double crochet. And here we'll just make a slip stitch into the first stitch, so it was a front post double crochet. Here we go. And we can already make a chain of 2 because this is how we start every round. Okay, so we already can see the texture. You will see it better in a moment after few more rounds. And now we will repeat rounds number 2 and number 3 until we reach the desired length. So this next round number 4, we will start with regular double crochet first, as here in the third one we were working front post double crochet first. So here regular double crochet and later front post double crochet. So exactly the same as we did in the round number 2. And then we'll make a slip stitch, chain 2, and next round, round number 5, will be exactly the same as round number 3. So we will start with front post double crochet and later a regular double crochet. So keep working, and in a moment I will show you how many rounds I made. I made 30 rounds. This is how it looks like. You can see the Alpine stitch. And it has about 11 centimeters of long, so about 4 inches and a quarter. So I wanted a midi skirt, but obviously the length of your skirt depends only on you. It can be a mini one, it can be a long one. Okay, and now I will chain 1 and we will attach our elastic band. So take your elastic band and we will work single crochets closing this elastic band inside our work. So first insert your hook into the first stitch. Now put the elastic band on the hook, grab your yarn and just make a single crochet. So as you can see, our elastic band stayed inside the stitch. Now again insert your hook into the next stitch, the elastic band on the hook, and make single crochet. And work like this, making again 40 single crochets, closing this elastic band inside your work. So I will keep working, and in a moment I will show you how it looks like. Just made my last single crochet. This is how it looks like. And now I will insert my hook into the first single crochet I've made and make a slip stitch. Now just chain 1 and cut the yarn. Okay, And now the last step is optional, but I like how it looks like with single crochet on the edge. So if you like how it looks like this, you can stay here. But if you want to finish this edge, I will add 1 round of single crochet all over the bottom part of our skirt. So I will insert my hook somewhere here near to the seam. We will work in this beginning chain as we started our skirt. So insert your hook here, take yarn, make a slip knot, and we will insert our yarn here, chain 1 to secure it, and insert your hook again in the same place and make a single crochet. Now we'll go to the next space and just work 1 single crochet in each stitch. As you can see, I try to hide this tail inside my work so I don't have to weave in it later. I will keep working this 1 round of single crochets and our skirt will be ready in a moment. And after my last single crochet, I will just enter into the first single crochet I've made, make a slip stitch and chain 1 to secure it, and I will cut the yarn. Now I have to weave in all the ends and my Alpine Stitch skirt is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tutorials for Barbie dolls and see you next time.